You guys, I'm getting so excited. Sarah keeps saying Papa over and over and over.
Papa.
Papa.
Papa. Papa.
How did she say Papa?
Say it, Mama, say it. Look at her food, look at her food. Look at her food.
Commence en automne à devenir
C'est morning.
à devenir rouge
C'est morning.
Et marron.
et marron.
C'est morning.
Et quand c'est en
Look at your
automne,
face. C'est
il y a
morning.
les feuilles qui tombent et il y a des arbres qui perdent pas leurs feuilles, mais quand même, si on a des chaussures, on peut sauter à pieds joints dans les feuilles mortes.
Say morning to the fifth. What are you talking about? The leaf on the tree? Stop doing your face like that. You silly boy. Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, Mama. Mama, Mama, Mama. Excuse me, Mama. Yes, Stella.
Forget to do something.
Forget to do what?
Say good morning to me.
No, Sarah was the first one to start the vlog. She said good morning already. Honey said morning.
Morning.
You guys, we are on the road this morning. Why I didn't sound that good in the song challenge?
Mama?
It's a very sad day out. It's cloudy, it's bleaky, it's dark, it's chilly. It makes me want to just stay in and cuddle in my bed. I don't want to go out today. But
You know who you sound like?
oh.
Bob the train.
Exactly.
In bed. So let's come and sing with me. 1, cuddling in the bed. 2, cuddling.
I don't want to go out today. I just want to stay home.
Too much cuddling.
It's just looking terrible outside and I just want to stay home, but we gotta go to the supermarket because somebody came home late last night. I mean, late where we would have already been to the supermarket the time when he get home. So I decided I ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna stay home and put my babies to bed, because we could have gone to another supermarket, but I didn't want to go anywhere. So I stayed home. Anyway, you guys, we got up this...
I didn't really look here on the left.
Well, because you're always driving.
The tram looked kind of far. You can see the tram.
Anyway, you guys, we are heading to the supermarket. We got up this morning, make a little breakfast, nothing too much. I just finished the fritters that I started last night because I didn't make too much of it. And we just head out. It's really early in the morning. It's after 10 right now, heading to 11. So we are doing an early run so we can come back and just chill for the rest of the day. I don't think we're gonna do anything. And because of this coronavirus thing, y'all, we can't go anywhere. We can't go on no adventure like we want to go on adventure. We have to make indoor adventurous. Or go somewhere where it's just us alone. I make sure I double check that the sanitizer is in the bag because y'all, he didn't joke. Babe told me last night that they found one person in Cannes just down the street from us. And in Monaco, just down the street. So I'm pretty sure that it's in Nice, they just don't find it yet. But hey, enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up right now. Comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time to the family. We love you guys and we'll catch you guys along the rest of the vlog. Look at these two. Tyler, take time. Jesus Christ. Oh gosh, Tyler, take time with her. Tyler, take time. Tyler, take time.
Put her on the floor. Put Sarah on the floor.
Okay, good.
Coca-Cola.
Hi guys, we back.
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. What about Coca-Cola, Tyler?
We are going to bring it to what? Mama, we are going to bring the Coca to where?
To the fridge.
No,
We're gonna
not
bring
to
it-
the fridge.
Not to the fridge. To where?
Picnic.
Picnic? What is picnic?
Picnic is something that we eat and there is a bit and
Mouchoir, a lot of
No, it's not
tissue because Tyler crying so much.
no.
We got a lot of things today. M&M's. We got M&M's. Looks like babe eats so much M&M's. Then she's gonna say it's me, but trust me, it's her.
I am going to own up to it. That's definitely me.
Oh,
Potato.
she admits she eats all of the peanuts. Let's see if she's gonna admit that she eats all of the biscuit and she eats all of the rest of the things.
Ooh,
Let's
I
see.
know what that.
What is that?
Plantain.
No, it's not plantain, it's banana.
No, it's
Well, plantain is banana, but I mean it's just
No,
regular
plantain is
banana.
not banana.
You don't call it banana plantain?
No, we don't do like French say banana plantain. No.
No. No. You mean as English or you mean as a Jamaican?
Like a French called plantain, banana plantain. No.
We got a lot
Plantain.
of tissue because Tyler is crying all over the time, so he needs a lot of tissue. No. What's in the bag? Because I know what's in my bag. We have apple.
That's the bag.
Apple always come after banana.
Apple bag, look. See?
What is that?
See? There's still more.
But I don't use it. It's the first time I see this biscuit. So why you take this biscuit today?
Because I want it.
You wanted that? You
Yeah.
It's for Papa?
No, because I wanted it like that. Mama had to have it like that. Mama can taste it.
Okay.
Because
so you
there's
didn't
vanilla.
you didn't take it for you take it for Mama?
For Mama and me.
Oh. Are you not sharing with Sarah?
No,
No,
not
you don't share with Sarah. Alright, that's
happy biscuit because
food.
Papa eats happy biscuit every time.
That's not happy biscuit, that's cookie.
Cookie
And Tyler eat a lot of cookie.
and some sausage.
Hey guys, that's French used to eat sausage, this type of things. I think it's the first time or one of the first time I take it. It's not even Tyler wanted to try it. Babe, she wanted to try that. So yeah, we got one.
Sausage.
Dry sausage. I can smell it from over the package. It's gonna be good, I'm sure. Quinoa. Quinoa for Tyler. A lot of quinoa for Tyler. Tyler deserves quinoa. What is that? It's bread.
Bread for sandwich and
We're gonna bread. We have bread for sandwich.
Tyler, stop shouting.
Bread for sandwich and bread for toast. Tyler, on the morning, Tyler eats a lot. Bam, one bag down. What is that, Tyler? What is that? It's called gnocchi. But is it pasta or is it pomme de terre?
It's gnocchi.
Gnocchi?
I watched that kind of gnocchi on the TV.
Oh, you watch that type of gnocchi on the TV? On Peppa Pig? Is Peppa Pig
No,
eating
not
the
Peppa
gnocchi?
Pig.
Okay.
I just started on the
Oh,
TV
it's
and the
Mr. Potatoes that eat the gnocchi.
No,
And after they catch Mr. Potatoes to make the gnocchi.
no, it's not that. If there is a pomme de terre.
Alright, come here, because face don't see you. What is that?
It's
Oh.
some cucumber.
No, it's not cucumber.
Yummy.
No, this is the things that you get to play music with.
No.
This is cucumber that looks like a zucchini.
It's cucumber.
You sure? It's a cucumber that looks like a zucchini. Tyler, this hurts, you know that? Ah! I'm gonna call the police to arrest you. You're a bad guy. You're a very bad guy. I'm gonna call the police. Ah, Taylor say something fair. I got you. Alright, put it there. Tyler, put it there.
My name is not Tyler, the bad guy.
Alright, we get food for Tyler because obviously Tyler is the baby. So we get food for the baby.
No, it's not for me. It's for Sarah.
We have some
Mama?
orange. The last time we take orange, we take red
Mama?
orange. Hopefully this one won't
Mama?
be red. If it's red, it's
Papa is a
painful.
hot mess.
Papa is a hot mess.
Yes.
I believe so.
No,
And I
Papa is
don't
not a
like
hot
when-
mess.
I don't like when people eat that.
We have some ham for the sandwich. You guys know we will go on the road one of these days. We have some peanuts, some nuts, some Amanda, some almonds, whatever you call it.
Amanda. Papa, who's Amanda?
Who's Amanda? Amanda is Mama's favorite.
No.
So it's not even Papa's favorite. She gives trouble for nothing. He's her friend.
Mom, that is not her friend.
Exactly, Tyler. Exactly. Not my friend at all.
Papa is a baby. I hug my friend. Good to call the police.
We have a lot of things. We got some peppers as usually. We also have, we decided to change Tyler's breakfast to let him choose what he wants, something different for breakfast. And he chose what we call pain au chocolat. So it's like industrial one. If you guys come in France and you want to test pain au chocolat, like chocolate bread, don't buy this one. I mean, get a good one at the bakery. But this can go for the breakfast, for Tyler breakfast. So let's see if he eats that. We got yogurt. Babe love the yogurt. I wish you guys know her 7-8 years ago and know her now. You can see the difference. She never used to eat no green. She only cook rice and chicken and
dumpling and banana.
Right, she only have
know
3-4 things. Now she eat yogurt. She went and she got cheese. She eat juice. She eat chocolate bread. She
eat chocolate bread?
She eat chocolate without to put tin milk. She drink. Oh, she's a different woman.
Well,
Yeah,
I'm a different woman, yes, I think you're right.
We
I
have.
think you're right, I'm more healthy right now.
The police is here to arrest Tyler.
What didn't go for police outfit?
Police outfit. We have some apple juice because she drink a lot of apple juice. I'm thinking what you used to eat when you were in Jamaica is the bag foods. That's it.
Who used to eat?
You.
When I was in Jamaica?
Yeah.
As what? As food?
You're gonna hurt and then you're gonna cry. Drink.
As drink? Cardial. Or tongue.
Tyler.
I'm not Tyler. I'm not Tyler. I'm a police officer.
I never saw a police officer that little. So you're a Tyler before to be a police officer. Okay?
No, my name is Tyler, police officer.
This last weeks I realized babe always get what she call mint.
Mince.
Mince?
It's beef mince.
Beef mince. She take that. Well, it's good. And continue. We always used to take a piece of fish. They say fish is good for the memory. And chicken. That's the Jamaican insider. She
Is
gets
the Jamaican one?
inside you. That make her get a lot of chicken. So we have 2 pack of chicken. Another pack of chicken somewhere, I'm sure. Is yeah, here is a 4th pack of chicken. She always take the same thigh and leg.
Because it's the favorite part of my chicken. I don't want no breast dry.
Thigh
like,
and leg. Wherever
we
we're going,
already. One more breast,
she
no
want
one.
thigh and leg. If they don't have no thigh and leg, she say, oh no.
If I know leg on time, you know want it.
Alright, we have guys another bag. The first bag, this bag is the green bag. A green with a lot of avocado. Then there's no more space to put the things here. We have avocado here. No, I don't want that cat, Tyler. We have potatoes to make raclette. What is that?
Zucchini.
It looks like this one. You sure it didn't take 2 times zucchini?
No.
You sure this is the cucumber? It looks...
Look who is here.
The princess.
Princess. Well, ask Papa why I'm giving you cucumber. So I was feeding Sarah's lunch.
So we have some zucchini here. What else we have? We have some
Thai.
Rasta hair. It looks exactly
kind of
the
Rasta
same. Does it look like yours?
Anyways, you want this fritters? Me I don't eat it.
No, I was about to take it. It looks exactly like yours.
Damn, 1 bite and it's 1.5. What's the matter with kid? I'm not getting no more. Bless you.
Some green bean. Green bean will be more like Sarah.
Yeah, I had to take a lot of veggies because I have to cook food for Sarah.
It's a lie. She made that, but then she let it spoil inside the fridge.
What's the matter?
What did you eat yesterday?
Do the supermarket haul.
Some more orange, a lot of orange, and some tomatoes. Tomatoes.
Tomato.
What's letter start tomatoes?
Do the supermarket haul.
It starts with a T. Not a P. We have some more potatoes, We're going to do raclette, I guess. With so much potatoes, whatever. Some more potatoes. We have 2 bags, or is me that put it back inside? It's 2 bags. Oh, we have tea bag of potato.
If you watch Prison Break, you understand what he just said.
And we have a lettuce. That's how you call lettuce, right? Salad.
Lettuce, where's salad? But Sarah wanted
Here we have, what is that? A tree. That looks like your hair too. I think you can open.
You have a problem with my hair?
No.
Do I look like I have a problem with my hair?
Did I say I have a problem with your hair?
Obviously.
No.
Come on, put on a scenery.
Isn't it pretty? Isn't it pretty?
Sarah.
And what else we have? We have some. I can't show you that.
Go for the next bag. I'll hurry up because the battery are going to.
Oh, we have another bag. It should be the last bag. We have some shrimp, crevette in French. Crevette. We have some butter here. Real French butter. We have some cheese. I tell you, she wanted cheese.
Me wanted
yes,
cheese.
you wanted cheese. She looked, especially she stayed 20 minutes in the cheese section. She was smelling everywhere. She just said,
if line could make your tongue long,
it's like
your tongue would reach for the ground
it's
by
like a
now.
relief. You know when somebody is sad, just go in the room. She go in supermarket in the cheese section to find inspiration. We have some.
Oh, me get French cheese.
Yeah, we have some yogurt. She wanted to get yogurt, French yogurt too. What else we have here? We have some yogurt for Tyler.
If line could make your tongue long, he would have a full for him one.
Tyler, don't hurt the bag. The bag didn't do anything to you. We have some more yogurt for Tyler. We have some yogurt for Sarah. Everybody get yogurt in the family. Oh, we have some cheese for babe. She chose this cheese too.
Mama.
Ask her why she took this. Why you took this cheese? We have some more yogurt for me. This one.
Yes, Dad.
What is that? Another cheese for you? Seriously, you took 10 cheese. Another cheese that she chose. I'm sure there's another cheese somewhere. No?
By your teeth. By your teeth, go so. I say cheese no come out.
Cheese everywhere. You like cheese? Because mama gonna eat a lot of cheese and put cheese in her titty for you. Eh? I'll tell mama now you can eat things with her titty.
Look at her blushing.
Titty.
Look at her blushing. You see that?
Ah.
She's blushing. She's so turned back around.
Cuckoo. Cuckoo.
Oh, she wanna come. Oh, my heart. Yes, man. She look her purpose until it look bad. Anyway, you guys, that's enough of the antics from Thailand. From Babe and Tyler. That's all the things we got at supermarket. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pack out these things and look after some lunch for the fam bam because Sarah just ate. I don't know if because of teething where Sarah haven't been eating well her lunch and dinner for the past 2-3 days, but she just eating half of what she normally eat. But anyway, she'll get there after this teething thing kind of slow down. Right, mama? Right, mama? Right, mama? Anyway, guys, catch you guys in a bit. You guys, I'm getting so excited. Sarah keeps saying Papa over and over and over.
Papa.
Papa.
Papa. Papa.
How did she say Papa?
Say it, Mama, say it. You're not saying Papa? Say Papa.
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 Papa. Papa. Papa. Papa. Papa. Yes. Papa. Yes. You guys, she and Babe, I'm actually in the kitchen and she and Babe has been in the living room and she been saying Papa. I didn't want to disturb her moment until she keeps saying it and saying it and saying it and I was screaming like ah! And the minute I take up the camera she decided not to say it for y'all. The minute I pick up the camera she decided not to say Papa. Anyway, you guys, I'm in the lab. I'm in the kitchen cooking, and I'm not coming out of this kitchen until I'm done with cooking for today because I'm not coming back in the kitchen after now, okay? Right now, let me show you what I'm up to at the moment. I'm cooking for Sarah for a few days. So in here, I have pumpkin, zucchini, and broccoli, and this is dinner for a few days. And in this one, I have chicken, carrot, green beans, broccoli, and zucchini. And this will be lunch for a few days. So there goes my girl, bubbling. And now I'm gonna make dinner. So let me show you all what's good in Mel's kitchen right now. Let me show you all what's good. Okay, so I had initially wanted to do roast chicken, which is these chickens right here with quinoa. So anyway, I did roast chicken, I did this chicken and broccoli and carrot and green beans and zucchini for Sarah lunch for a few weeks. I did steamed cabbage, I did quinoa, which is not finished cooking, and I did this mix for her dinner, which is pumpkin and zucchini and broccoli. And this soup is what we're gonna eat in a bit. So this is just some spinach, Irish potato, carrots, just vegetables and chicken. But yeah, that's all the things that I cook. A lot of food. Nobody can say them hungry.
Papa? 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 Ah, Papa give up. Papa will try again and again and again. Love you.
Yes, we tried, but you're not saying Papa for y'all. Alright, it's bedtime.
Hi guys, we here to end the vlog. Come higher. We are the two new fresh haircut. Thank you, baby. You did an amazing job today. Look at Tyler. You like your haircut?
Yeah, and I like your haircut.
You're nice little boy. Anyway guys, I hope you had a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. It wasn't much, but today was so terrible outside. Felt cold. We have to start back the heater. We have stopped the heater for about 10 days because it was getting hot, but we had to turn it back on today. Yeah, it was just cold, so I had to go in every room. I have to do that. You have anything to say?
Yes, I have something to say.
What do you have to say?
I have to say expression of Jamaica.
You have to say the expression of the day?
Yes, I'm going to say the Jamaican expression. The Jamaican expression of today is Banya Banya.
Banya banya, yeah, that sounds like a Jamaican expression. What it means, Tyler?
What do you think what that means?
I think is when a little boy is not nice, you say, you're gonna eat banya banya.
No, it's if something is very mess and like I say, Papa, why your room looks so banya banya?
Oh, that makes so much sense. Okay, so when your room is not packed up, we say, your room is so banya banya.
No, you say, Tyler, a good party, your room banya banya, and why You
Okay.
won't look so banya banya.
Okay, so banya banya is the expression of today. Make sure you get the Jamaican expression of today. You want to know what is the French expression?
Yeah, I'm going to tell you.
Okay, what is the French expression?
The French expression is... That's going to sound a little bit at a English expression.
No, it needs to be a French expression.
Mina mina.
No, that's not.
Mina mina.
Okay, what is the is the French expression is mena mena?
Yes.
Okay, so what it means?
That means that you think that's what that means. That sounds something that you know.
Oh, it's something that I know?
Yes,
Oh.
but it's not something that's naughty.
Okay, it's
It's
not
some-
something naughty. Oh, because
it's
Papa only
something-
know naughty things?
It's something that's nice.
Oh, it's something that's nice. So I know the French expression of the day. Oh, I don't know what to mean that word. I don't know, Tyler. Can you tell me what it means?
No, you try it. Say what you want.
I think is when.
Remember I said something.
Okay, I think it's
often-
when you when you do your homework well. I say, Tyler, you doing your homework very mena mena.
No, it's not
Oh. So what is it?
that. That means if some if he break and I say, Papa, why the sometimes all of the orange tend to ball look so banya? I mean, mina.
Mena mena. Okay. Alright guys, so you have the Jamaican expression of the day and the French expression of the day. Thank you, Tyler. You did very well. Make sure you get it and remember it. Alright, so it's time to go to bed. It's time to go to bed, okay? Babies actually.
I want to go to bed.
Yes, you go to bed. Baby's actually
Excuse me,
putting
Papa.
Sarah to
Extra
bed.
bed.
So we're going to end the vlog now. Hope you had a wonderful day. One more time, give this video a thumbs
Thumbs
up.
up
Don't-
and
don't
catch
forget-
up and people
And don't forget to
subscribe on Amazon Music
and we catch you guys
tomorrow for what?
picnic.
Picnic tomorrow.
You don't want to miss that. See you tomorrow.